called MCP, Model Context Protocol, and it's an absolute game changer. In this video, I'm going to break it down, what it is, why it's useful, and why everybody should be getting on board with it. So let's get into it. So this is the problem. Before MCP, connecting a large language model to a tool like a database or a calendar app or anything like that required a custom one-off job. It would require a developer to build something that would allow one thing to interface with the other. And this had to be done every time. If you wanted to build an AI agent that could check your email and save a file, that was two separate, completely different, complex integrations. This is what developers at Anthropic called the N by M problem. For every AI model, N, there needed to be a custom connector for every tool or service, M. It was slow, inefficient, and created a tangled mess. That is until MCP came along. Think of MCP as being the universal USB port on your laptop. It allows one thing to connect to many things using a standardized framework. The Model Context Protocol changed a lot of things. It was developed by Anthropic and released an open source framework then as well, so it's free to the world. MCP is a standardized way for AI systems to connect to external services. Think of it this way. An AI model itself is like your laptop with lots of ports that can connect to lots of different things then as well. MCP is a universal port for everything. Now, if you had a tool, a data source, MCP compatible, it's simply plug and play, like connecting a new mouse to your old computer. The universal language allows AI to access up-to-date information. It can query a live database instead of relying on old training data and integrations then as well. And it's constantly being updated. It's also been adopted by all the other AI vendors then as well and become the de facto norm. It can perform real-world tasks, so you can get it to send an email, create a document, post a message on Slack, and then it can work really well with agentic workflows then as well, becoming a true agent, being able to perform multi-step multi-technology reports along the way then as well. So let's dive in to see how it works. So how does it work? This magic USB port actually works in a client-server relationship then as well, but with a twist. So the host, this is your user-facing application like a desktop assistant or an AI-powered IDE. Then there is the client. This lives inside the host and is the key part. It acts as a translator, taking a request from the AI model and sending it to the correct destination. The server then in this case is a separate program specifically designed to connect to a single tool.